as a point to note, these grams should be in kgs as well as these millimeters should be in meters. So we start by converting this 200 grams into kgs. So 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg, and 200 grams that we don't know, so we're going to solve for x. We'll cross multiply, that will give us 1000x is equal to 200. Then you divide. So this one you cancel, this one you cancel, remain with x. So x is going to be equal to, when you divide 200 divided by 1000, that will be 0.2 kg. So we have converted this 200 grams into kgs. We convert the meters as well. So millimeters. So 1000 millimeters is equal to 1 meter. Then 120 millimeters we don't know, so we're going to solve for x. Cross multiplication. That will be 1000 x is equal to 120 over 1000 over 1000. We cancel out, then x is going to be equal to 0.12 meters. Then we solve the kinetic energy of the ball. So kinetic energy is equal to half mass times speed or acceleration squared. So kinetic energy will be equal to 1 over 2. The mass we are given 0.2, so 0.2 kg times the speed. The speed is 0.90 meters per second. Since it's squared, so we have to introduce square roots. A square root here. We find the square root of this, or we square this number. We square this number, that would be to 1 over 2, 0.2 kg times 0.90 times 0.90 will give you 0.81 meters per second. Then you are going to multiply these two, that will be equal to 1 over 2. This one times this one, that will give you, so here we use multiplication, then that will give you 0.162. Then 1 times this one for the selfish. So I'll continue this process A. So 1 times this one, that will give you 0.162 over 2. So 2 into this one, that will give you, that is going to give you 0.081. And the units for energy, it is joules. So JA, then we are done with question 1. Thank you.
Okay. To calculate this question, to calculate the gravitational potential energy, we're going to use this formula. Gravitation. To calculate this question, we're going to use this formula. EP is equal to mgh, where m is the mass and g is the acceleration due to gravity, then h is our height. So to be able to find the correct answers, you need to convert these figures to, you need to convert this one to grams or to kilograms, then you convert this one to meters. So as my friend already converted them, they are here. So I'm going just to pick them up and use them. So our mass is 0.2 kg, 0.2 multiplied by our gravitational force is 10 meters per 10 meters per yes, 10 meters 10 times our height is 0.2 or 0.12 meters. Times 0.12, which is equal to 0.2 times 10. That is 2 times 0.12. 2 times 0.12. 0.24 is our EP here. And this is the answer we are done. Energy of the bulb. So the formula, it is E equals EK plus EP. So EK stands for kinetic energy, then EP stands for gravitational potential energy. So here we are just going to replace these two energies. So kinetic energy, we found 0.081. Yeah, that's what we found. Then we are going to add potential energy, which is 0.24. Find the mechanical energy. When we add them, the answer is 0.321 joules. That's the answer. We are done.